This is the G36 true wireless stereo earbuds buried in a smartwatch that has step count, last night's sleep time, your heart rate, your training area where you can do walking, running, cycling, and a few other different activities, as well as take readings of your blood pressure, your blood oxygen, the weather in whatever city you specify or where you're located with your phone. Long press to lock your phone or unlock it, and shutter capability. You've got a music player as well. And here's the charging status of your earbuds. I'll show them to you in a second. Long press gives you a way to change your face style, a stopwatch, muting, resetting, power off, and an overall brightness, which is not that broad. It's a kind of dim watch, unfortunately, and we're back to the time. The earphone piece is hiding under the top. You just simply pull the buds out, and you're good to go. Really nice design. Have not tested these, don't really have a report on how well they work, but they look like they would fit well and work great. So all in all, here it is. It's the G36 TWS True Wireless Stereo. Check it out.